Hi, this is David Tongeman, and I would like to show you how to set up CRMLINKER for CapsuleCRM. So the first thing to notice is that we're now here in Outlook, and we've already installed the CRMLINKER product. And you can see we've got the new information in the toolbar here, and we've already downloaded a trial license. The next thing that we need to do is to set up the configuration, and this will ensure that the system knows which email Dropbox that the system needs to forward any emails to in order that they get into the CRMLINKER. So we open the configuration, and we're going to ignore the send rules and the receive rules for now, and we're going to go straight into the Dropbox settings. Now the first thing that we need to do is to find the generic Dropbox for my particular CapsuleCRM account. So I'm going to open my browser, and within my CapsuleCRM I'm going to click on settings and then go to the mail Dropbox, and you'll see here we've got an email address which is our generic Dropbox email address. So I'm just going to highlight that and press Ctrl C, and that will copy it, and then I'm going to go back into Outlook and press Ctrl V and paste that into my email address settings. And then I need to give it a name. And the name is used just when an email is sent. The name just goes along with the email address in the same way that an email address normally has a name associated with it. We then need a name for the CRM to be used within the system and within the dashboard, and this will enable us to quickly click on a link in Outlook and open the CRM, the CapsuleCRM system in the browser. So we'll call this CapsuleCRM. And then in order to get the link, I'm just going to take the first piece of my domain. I'm going to copy that again, Ctrl C, and paste it in here. Notice it doesn't have the HTTP setting, we don't need that. Okay, so we've set up the system, and if I click Save, the system has been set up. The next thing which we have the option to do is to add some specific Dropbox addresses for sales opportunities or cases or deals. Now in CapsuleCRM we can do that. We've got, if I go to my sales pipeline, we can get a list of the different sales opportunities. And if I open my first sales opportunity, which is with Google, and I go to the actions for this opportunity and attach an email, you'll see that there is a specific email address, Dropbox address, which can be used to attach emails to this specific opportunity. So I'm just going to copy that again. And now when we go back into configuration, we've got case deal Dropbox email addresses. If I click on edit, it lets me enter the Dropbox address here, and I can give it a name. In this case it's the Google training. Okay, and if I add that, then it now knows about that opportunity, and we're just going to add one more. So if I go back into my sales pipeline, go into the list, we'll go to the Olympic Synchro opportunity, and we'll do attach an email, and here we have the Dropbox email address. So I'll copy that, go back into the configuration options, paste the email address, and give it a title of the name of the company who we're trying to do the business with. And we'll add that and save it. So we're now all set up to go. When we send an email, the CRMLINKER can either send the Dropbox email address as a CC or a BCC. Normally you'll want to send it as a BCC. So I'm going to save all that information and close this, and then we'll show you how that works. So if I've got a new email, when I'm ready to send it, If we send it and link it to the case or the deal, you'll notice here we've got a new box which pops up which says, do you want to link this particular email which we're sending to either of these deals? So we've got the Google Doodle training and the Olympic Synchro which we've just added, and I can link it to either of those, and when the email gets sent it will be automatically attached to that opportunity. And you'll also see here we've got Go to CapsuleCRM. This is where it uses the URL which we added to the system. If I click on that, it will automatically open CapsuleCRM in my browser. So that's the basic setup of the system, and next we'll look at some of the specific features and how we use the system.